and sun is partly shining. Where is it? Sun is partly shining. Sun is partly shining. We have dirt bikes, plus a kid, plus a hill. It's gonna end well. The whole point of this video with the hill, get out here, Rock. No one needs you! The whole point of this is that we're gonna jump dirt bikes off this, and then we're all done. When we're all done, I'm gonna make another video. So if you guys wanna see it, it's the next video. Anyway, before we get on with this video, I have a challenge for you. Hit the subscribe button. If this video gets, let's say, 50 likes, since I'm new and I'm a noob, I will do this again, and maybe, just maybe, I might do something else that's crazy. You'll see. Anyway, if this video gets a couple of likes and big thumbs up, and if you subscribe, we will do 1,000,000 more crazy stuff. And when I say 1,000,000, I got a lot of stuff planned out. So yeah, let's get on with the craziness. First, let's go find the noobs.
Should I go now?
My sister is gonna go find the crazy noobs.
Go get them.
And we're gonna jump over this hill.
Wait,
So,
with dirt bikes.
Get him now?
See you in 2 seconds.
Get him now?
I got it. Oh shoot. Well, that looks a lot better.
Person. Hey.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
So we're just going around trying to find them. And when we do find them, yeah. So the plan of this video, it's going to be a short video, is
Sorry, but
get
I got
them
them.
to jump. Get
I
them
got
to
them,
jump.
and JT and Tim are gonna go. Both
All
of them
right.
are.
So anyway, this is going to be short because we don't know how much time we have. But I am going to make a gaming video with me,
Hurry up!
Guide to Everything,
Go!
and my brother. So it should be cool. All right.
Do the jump! The jump!
I'm gonna try to get you guys a good angle. Let's go. Who's that guy? He's following me. All right, let's go. Get out of the way, dude.
Right there. Here we go. Ready?
Here we go. Boom. So that's him. Hey.
Get JT to do it.
So that's him. We're gonna cut it, and we're gonna get JT, my cousin, to do it.